This lighting is not it.
Told my brothers one day we gon' make it.
Hey everybody, it's me Cherie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine, but my friend Justin is going to be recording my voiceover. So don't forget to like and subscribe, sit back, relax and enjoy the video.
Just gonna brush those curls, get those curls out. Ooh, got that nice little gel. Lovely. Gonna get those curls in, those all-important curls that we long for amazingly. Now we're gonna add those curls in. Ooh yeah. Keep adding those curls in. Make sure you get them to a T. Geometry on smash. Get those good angles. Yeah. Now that actually looks hard still. Now the curls look mad. I'm proud personally. But yeah. Wavy. Wavy. Ugh, the forehead's mad though, but what's that? Sun cream. So we're gonna add the sun cream, protection against the UV rays. It's weird, but you know, some people do it because they don't like the radiation. Rub it in, rub it all over the nose, all over the cheeks. See man, you don't take care of your forehead enough, you know. See, that's a big black person problem still. Vaseline. Without Vaseline, where would we be for real? It's actually so true. So now we're gonna get to the nitty-gritty. Start brushing up the eyebrows. Wow, we're gonna start brushing up our eyebrows. Just get them straight. Oh, the eyebrows actually nice though. It's not too bad. Not too many girls have that, you know. It's so crazy. On fleek already. Don't know what that is. Looks like some form of liquid nitrogen. I'm joking. Liquid foundation. Just apply it to the places where you want to apply it on your face. Fan it in. And we blend it with the brush. Keep on rubbing it with the brush. That all-important face paint brush. Foundation brush. Makeup brush. Just rub it all over. Don't know what it does to the face. Don't know what that is also. So, but we put it on our hand. I'm sure it's a kind of foundation to make our skin a bit browner. Yeah, so we use that brush again. So we blend it in, rub it all over the skin. Yes, ooh, yes, ooh. Now that works wonders still. Skin is looking brown and nice underneath the eye. Ooh. Now that looked like it hurt though. Damn, I think she realized it. It was at that moment she knew. So this also hides the bags. And you put it over your nose also. Enhance that nose bridge, yes. Don't know what that is. Looks like some kind of oil thingy. But we put it onto a brush. No, a sponge. Is that called a blending sponge? I think, I'm guessing anyway. Then we just dab away underneath our eyebrows. Dab. Even more dabbing. Dab more, dab. Hide those bags so we don't look like we're tired. And yeah, all over the eyes, the eye arch, and our nose, just to enhance it. And then we're adding a brownish kind of substance. I'm guessing it's the toner over the eyes, or underneath the eyes. And this just basically hides and disguises all those times we look tired, so we can look even more beautiful. Yes. And now we're putting it all over our eyes. Ooh, Simba. Na, 50, Mama gives you a ooh, YouTuber smile. Now we're just hiding the ooh, it actually just hide it. So now we're just hiding the fact that we're tired. But the sun is now stopping our process. And we're blending, still dabbing. Dab dab all over the face. Dab dab over here, dab dab there. And now that is the powder, the foundation powder, yes. Put just a little bit on the brush, and now we pull it all over our face. Even though it should go on our face, we're still doing the eyes. Yo, you girls do makeup for so one of you girls take so long to do makeup, man. Like, oh my goodness. Anyway, so we put it all over the face, all over our cheeks, which is basically contouring. I'm sure this is contouring our cheeks, just to enhance them and like get them all shapely, must do. Anyway, all over the forehead, yes. Finally focusing on the forehead, well done. And I don't know what the heck that is, but now we're gonna add more. Oh, must be more contour, just to enhance it even more. Or is it blusher? One of the two. We will go with it anyway. Now we're just putting it all over our face, put it all over our cheeks, underneath the chin, on the forehead as well. Lovely jubbly. And this is kind of an eye palette. Eye palette goes underneath our, just like put on top of our eyebrows, on top of our eyes, eyelids. But this goes on top of our eyelids, just to add some colour into our lives, just to make us not look boring. It's a nice colour, you know, I must say. Well done, proud of you. Now we're focusing on the eyelashes. There we go. And now this just like adds a shape to it, gives us that mysterious kind of Cleopatra look to ourselves. Makes us look, ooh, I'm that bad bee right now. And then do it to the other side. Keep going, keep going. My goodness. Scrunch up your nose like Winnie the Pooh. And now we're going for a different colour. Oh, we're going for two colours. Tricky. Oh, this is the blush. Okay, so now we're adding blush to our cheeks, just to enhance our face. Probably to the nose as well, don't know why. But we actually do look nice though.
Ryan Little.
Ooh, gold digger, damn. Woof. 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 It's mad. We're adding more. Get more brown, add the whiteness. Don't know why we're adding white. Didn't know it was going there. It's a bit racy, but you know what I mean. So it goes on our crust of our eyes, that natural crust, or that artificial crust really. Because not everyone can wake up gorgeous, you know, for flawless, but yeah. I don't know why we do this to your eyes, damn. Struggling to add the setting spray really. But yeah, we're gonna add that setting spray, let it set. Fan ourselves, fan it in. And I'm sure that is lip. Oh wow, for those lip gloss, mad. We gotta add the mascara to the eyelashes, just to bring out the eyelashes, because you know you women have short eyes, unfortunately. Yeah, so we're just adding it, curling it up. Get me? Maybe it's me, but maybe it's Maybelline. Ooh, the eyes actually look banging, I must say. Well done. So now we're rubbing more in to the eye. Well, now we're focused on the eyelashes now. No, eyebrows. Flipping how? So now we're focused on the eyebrows. Adding that jar. Gonna add the jar onto the whatever that thing is. Don't know what's happening. Okay, so it's there. Also, we're now going to put that eyelash tip into the gel. Another. Ooh, that's weird. That's new. So now we're pulling it all over our eyebrows. I need to get that right. But eyebrows, putting it up, putting eyebrows, putting it all over the eyebrows. Still putting on the eyebrows. Even though eyebrows look perfect, look fine. And now we're focusing on the mustache, taking off our excess hair, and over the lips as well. We're taking off the Vaseline off our lips for some reason. And now we're adding the gloss, the lip gloss for some sort. Just adding it, applying it to those big juicy lips. Ooh, ooh yeah. But we're not finished, so we're gonna add more. And yes, ooh, slay. One more thing. Oh, gosh, flipping out, really? And now we look cute, and we're all like, oh, I'm a YouTuber. And yeah, thumbs up, like, subscribe, and bye.